Hi there! Owning an auto service or repair business is exciting, but have you ever thought about what happens if something goes wrong? Like, what if a customer claims you damaged their car or someone slips in your shop? But don't worry, there's a solution. Today, we're diving into how to get auto service and repair insurance in the US to keep your business running smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Why do you need auto service and repair insurance? First things first, why is insurance important for your auto business? When you're working on large, expensive, and complex machinery, accidents can happen. A mechanic could damage a customer's car, or someone might accuse your shop of shoddy work. Without insurance, you'd have to pay for these claims out of your own pocket. With the right insurance, you'll have peace of mind. You can focus on what you do best, servicing and repairing cars, while your insurance covers the unexpected. Step 2. What types of coverage do you need? Not all insurance is created equal, and for auto service businesses, there are specific types of coverage you'll want to consider. Let's break them down. General liability insurance. This is often the first type of insurance auto businesses get. It covers accidents like a customer slipping in your shop or you accidentally damaging their property. Garage keepers liability insurance, working on cars that aren't yours? This coverage helps if a customer's car is damaged while it's in your care. For example, if your mechanic dents a car while moving it, this policy can cover the repairs. Faulty work coverage, mistakes happen. If a customer claims your work was subpar, like a transmission not working properly after a repair, this coverage helps defend against those claims. Hired and non-owned auto, HNOA, insurance. Do you or your employees test drive customer cars or use personal vehicles for work? HNOA coverage protects you during these scenarios. Commercial property insurance. This covers your shop building, equipment, and inventory. For example, if a fire damages your garage or tools, commercial property insurance helps you recover. Step 3. How much does it cost? Now you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Great question. Insurance costs vary depending on the types of services you provide, your shop's location, the equipment in your garage, your certifications, whether you bundle different types of coverage. For example, Next Insurance offers savings of up to 19% when you bundle policies. That's a great way to keep costs down while getting comprehensive protection. Step 4. How to get covered. Here's the best part, getting auto service and repair insurance has never been easier. Follow these steps. Assess your needs. Start by identifying what services you offer and what risks you face. Do you need coverage for test drives? How about protection for expensive equipment? Choose a trusted provider. Companies like Next Insurance specialize in small business coverage and make the process simple. Get a quote. Most providers allow you to get an online quote in just a few minutes. Enter your business details, choose your coverage options, and see your estimated costs. Customize your policy, tailor your coverage to fit your business. For example, if you're running a car wash, your needs might differ from a full-service repair shop. Purchase and get proof of insurance. Once you're happy with your policy, purchase it online. You'll usually get instant proof of insurance, which you can keep handy for clients or compliance purposes. Step 5. Why choose Next Insurance? Next Insurance makes the whole process super easy and affordable. Here's why they're a top choice for auto businesses. Get covered in just 10 minutes. Save up to 19% with customized policies. Instant proof of insurance. Easy monthly payment plans. Talk to licensed US-based advisors if you need help. Protect your business, your customers, and their vehicles with the right coverage. Don't wait until it's too late. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.